guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be playing Crossy Road. Okay, so I just installed the game, so I'm gonna run real quick. Oof. No! Come on! Okay, so I'm gonna play again. Crossy Road is actually pretty fun. Okay, no, come on, literally. Crossy Road is a little too tough for me. Oof. No. You pink tree, you ruined my life. Okay, so let me just wait. No. Oh, guys, that was so close. Okay, wait. I gotta time this. Oh, I'm doing it. No! I got a new high score though. Imagine if you were just a chicken walking on the road and then you get hit by a bus. Oh, guys, did you see that? That was so close. Okay. So close to new high score. Oh! Made it! Barely. Come on! I'm raging. I think I should do like try not to rage. Okay, I'm just gonna pause this part. Okay guys, so I just spawned back. I think I just got eaten by an eagle before I resumed the video. Oh! Guys, that was so close. Gotta make this, gotta make that, and that. Okay. This is so tough, guys. Oh, I'm almost close to 40. Oh, literally made it alive. I was standing on the railway. Did you guys see that? Okay, run. Okay, made that. Didn't make that. New top score. Now I made top score. 56. Okay, gonna replay. This is actually pretty fun, guys. I'm having a great time. Okay. Yeah. I'm a little chicken. No, come on. Okay, so apparently my goal is to try and make a new high score. Yeah. I think I should make a try not to rage video. Okay, wait. Gotta time this properly. Come on. 1 and 2. Okay, it's an act. Okay, guys, so I just spawned in again with 2 crossy people. Okay, go. No, chickeny died. They both died. Okay. Oh, player 2 wins, which is apparently I won and I lost at the same time, which absolutely makes no sense. Huh? Why again? Okay, I got time this. Come on. 3, 3, 7, 7, 11, 9. Player 2 wins again. Okay, this time I'm just gonna win the crossy. I'm just gonna let the crossy chicken win. Frick. Crossy Road. Piggy bank. Huh? Oh. What is this? Nope. No thanks. Okay. Got time this. No! Player 1 wins, I guess. Player 1 wins, yeah. Okay, why do I have to manage 2 people at once, guys? You don't know how horrifying this is, guys. Okay. Ducky. No. Don't tell me we can do this. We could have done this all along. Am I trapped? Let me just get out of the situation, guys.